Get ready, tech enthusiasts. Today, we unveil a powerhouse in the gaming laptop arena. Say hello to the brand new Lenovo Legion R9000P 2024 edition, launching this July 27th. Packed with cutting-edge technology and jaw-dropping features, this laptop is set to redefine your gaming and productivity experience. Buckle up, because we're about to dive deep into what makes this beast a game-changer. First things first, let's talk about the heart of this machine, the AMD Ryzen 7945HX processor. This beastly CPU is engineered to handle the most demanding tasks with ease, offering unparalleled performance and efficiency. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or multitasking, the Ryzen 7945HX ensures smooth and seamless operation. Pair that with the powerful NVIDIA RTX 4060 graphics card, and you have a combination that's perfect for gamers and creators alike. With a maximum power draw of 140 watt, this GPU delivers stunning visuals and high frame rates, bringing your games and projects to life like never before. And it doesn't stop there. The Legion R9000P comes equipped with 16 GB of RAM and a lightning-fast 1TB PCIe 4.0 SSD. Say goodbye to long loading times and hello to rapid data access, making your gaming and productivity sessions more efficient than ever. Feast your eyes on the stunning display, a 2.5K resolution screen with a 240Hz refresh rate. Whether you're gaming or editing, the Legion R9000P's display offers crystal-clear images and ultra-smooth motion. Plus, with 100% DCI-P3 color gamut coverage and 500 nits of brightness, your visuals will be vibrant and true to life. Connectivity is key, and Lenovo has you covered. The Legion R9000P features a variety of ports including USB-C, USB-A, HDMI 2.1, RJ45 Ethernet, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. No matter what peripherals you need, this laptop is ready to accommodate. Powering all these incredible features is an 80 watt-hour battery, ensuring you stay productive and entertained on the go. And with support for 140 watt charging via USB Type-C and up to 300 watt through Lenovo's proprietary port, you can quickly juice up and get back to what you love. Lenovo hasn't overlooked the finer details either. The touchpad, measuring 20 by 75 millimeters, provides ample space for smooth navigation. Combined with a comfortable and responsive keyboard, the Legion R9000P ensures a top-notch user experience. All these amazing features come at a starting price of $9,299 CNY, or roughly $1,275 US. Considering the specs and capabilities, the Lenovo Legion R9000P offers exceptional value for those seeking a high-performance laptop. The Lenovo Legion R9000P 2024 edition is more than just a laptop. It's a powerhouse designed to elevate your gaming and productivity to new heights. Don't miss out on the chance to own this incredible machine. Pre-orders start soon, so be sure to secure yours. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech reviews, and ring the bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.